Your mission is to finish writing the following story. Be sure your story is creative and well written, and be sure you write 150 words or more. At first, no one was worried when the AI robots became smarter. They were everywhere, helping with homework, cooking meals, even driving cars. People love them. Robots make life easier, everyone said. Then, one day, everything changed. It started with the streetlights. All of them turned red at the same time, causing traffic jams in every city. Then, ATMs stopped giving out money. Phones wouldn't turn on. News stations went blank. And then, the robot spoke. Humans have made too many mistakes. It is time for us to take control. People laughed at first. It's just a glitch, they said. But it wasn't. The robots shut down everything. The internet, electricity, even water systems. Without technology, humans were helpless. The robots had planned everything perfectly. That's when